Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 5th Subject Mathematics.
Welcome back to our second online class for 5th standard mathematics chapter 1. Let us recall what we have seen in our previous class. Counting numbers. Counting numbers start with 1, 2, 3 and it be going on. Counting numbers is otherwise known as natural numbers. Next one, whole numbers. When we include 0 to the counting numbers are called whole numbers. Next one, numerals. Numerals is nothing but the names or symbols used to represent numbers are called numerals. Here you have 5 means 5, 110 it gives 110. Representation of numbers. Three ways we can represent any number through abacus, place value chart, expanded form. We are well known in abacus and expanded form. Next one is the place value chart. Place value chart is of two types, Indian place value chart, international place value chart. In this chapter we will discuss about what is Indian place value chart. This is the Indian place value chart, contain ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Ones, tens, hundreds in ones place, thousands, 10,000 in thousand place, lakhs, 10 lakhs in lakhs, crores, 10 crores in crores. By using Indian place value chart, we well know how to write and read the given numerals. These are the topics we discussed in our previous class. The next one is self-practice. Fill in the blanks. First question. The face value of the digit at dash place is the same as its place value. I repeat again. The face value of the digit at dash place is the same as its place value. Which place has the same value for face value and place value? This is the place value of the given number. What is the given number? 5677. You have to find the place value and face value. Place value. Let us find the place value. Here 7 in ones place. So 7 into 1, 7. And this 7 in tens place. So 7 into 10, 70. And 6 in 100 place, 6 into 100, 600. The value of 6 in place value is 600. And value of 5 in place value is 5000 because 5 in thousands place. So this is the place value. And you have to find the face value. Face value means the value of 7 is 7. The value of 7 is 7. And value of 6 is 6. And value of 5 is 5. So you note these two values. This 770, 600, 5000. Here you have 7765. Which place you have find? This is the ones place. You have find the same value. Here also 7. Here also 7. And this is the tens place. Here you have find 70. But the face value is 7. Just 7. So which place you have the same 5? Which place you have find? This is the ones place. You have find the same value. Here also 7. Here also 7. And this is the tens place. Here you have find 70. But the face value is 7. Just 7. So which place you have the same value? It is the ones place. In ones place only you have the same value 7 for place value and face value. So you write the answer ones or units. You may call the ones place as unit place. Next question. If the predecessor of the successor of the largest 4-digit number is dash. What is meant by the predecessor? You have already learned what comes after and what comes before. Predecessor is just before number. Successor is just a after number. You have now see the explanation. First, they have largest 4-digit number. They ask what is largest 4-digit number. What is the largest 4-digit number? 9999. That is 9999. Next, you have to find the successor. The question is the predecessor alone. What is the predecessor of the successor of the largest 4-digit number? Largest 4-digit number is 9999, and you have to first find the successor. What is the successor? Successor means just you have add 1 to this number. When you add 1 to 9999, it will give 10,000. Okay, the successor of largest 4-digit number is 10,000. Successor of the largest 4-digit number is 10,000. Then next question, what? The predecessor of the successor. You have to find the predecessor of this successor. Predecessor of this successor. Predecessor means come before. So you have to minus 1 from 10,000. When you subtract 1 from 10,000, it gives 9,999. The answer will be the same. Okay, don't confuse. Fifth question. Find the difference between the place values of 2 digits in. How can you read this number? Using Indian place value chart, you just put ones, tens above on this. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 8 lakh, 90,000. Don't read 9, 10,000, 0,000. You have to combine these two numbers and read at 1,000. 8 lakh, 90,000, 853. Let us see the solution. First, you have to find the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. What is the question is? Difference means subtract. You want to subtract. Difference means subtract. So, what is the two numbers? When you want to subtract, you want subtract 10 and minuend. So, find between the place values of 2, 8. Where is the 8? Here on 8 and here also 8. 8 in 100 place and 8 in lakhs place. So 8 in the place of 100. So 8 into 100, 800. Then 8 in the place of lakhs and 8 into lakh, 8 lakh. So you subtract the 800 from 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs, first you write the 8 lakhs. Then here you have write the 800. Subtract this. So you subtract these and then you get 7,99,200. The difference between the place value of 2, 8 in 8,90,853 is 7,99,200. Next sum. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. Here you have 5 numbers. 80,808. Listen carefully. 80,088. 88,008. 80,008. 88,808. Don't confuse yourself among these numbers. First you have to find the thousand place. Let us first compare the thousand place. In first digit, thousand place contain 80. Second digit 80. Third 88. Fourth 80. Fifth 88. For this, you have to look at the hundreds place or ones place. Here the 3 digit belongs to ones place. These also in ones place. Here you have see that 808. Here just 88. Here just 8. You read this 008 as 8. So which is the smaller? Correct. 80,008 is the smaller. So you have to first write 80,008. Apart this, you have 808 and 88. Which is the smaller one? 88. So 80,088. So you have to write the 80,088. Next third one, absolutely 80,808. So you write the 80,808. These three numbers are finished. Next, these are the next two numbers, 88,008, 88,808. In this, there is 88 in 1000 place. So you have to see the next places. Here you have 8, here you have 808. So which is the smaller one? This is the smaller one. So next you write 88,008. Next 88,808. This is the ascending order. Seventh question. Counting by fives, write the numbers from 80,989 to 81,014. You already know that how to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, like this it be going on. Next 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12, like this it is going on. Then 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like this it be going on. Now you have your question, add by fives from 80,989. Here you have the word from. So you write first this number 80,989. Then you add 5 to this number. After 89, what you have? 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Here also you have 94, yeah? So 80,989 plus 5, you get 80,994. After you add 5 to this number, you get 80,999. Then you add 5 to this number, you get 81,004. Next, 81,009. Then you add 5, you get 81,014. Here you have 81,014. So you add 80,989 by 5 up to 81,014. Eighth question. Form the largest and the smallest possible numbers made from each of the following group of digits. Here you have one group of digit. 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 7. Already you well know about how to form largest number and smallest number. Largest number means among these numbers, what is the greatest number? 7. Next, 5. Next one, 3, 2, 1, 0. Like this you have to write. 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. According to the Indian place value system, here I put commas. 3 digit, 2 digit and remaining digit. If you confuse in this matter, you don't use comma among this. Some of the students put again also comma for each digit. If you put each comma among each digit, it is a single digit number and it is a separate number. We want only the largest number. Largest number means don't use comma among these numbers. You are well known in Indian place value chart, then you use the comma. 3 digit, 2 digit, remaining digit. Okay. Next, smallest number. Smallest number means among these numbers, which is the smallest? 0. Yeah, 0. But don't put 0 here. You put next smallest number after 0. After 0, which is the next smallest number? 1. So first you put 1, then you put 0. Then 2, 3, 5, 7. Here you get 1,02,357. So use these digits, you get the largest number and the smallest number. When you have 0 in the given number, you should follow this method. Okay, don't put 0 before the 1. If you put 0 before the 1, it is only the 5 digit number. But here you have 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. So you only find the smallest number, largest number in 6 digits alone. If you put 0 before the 1, you only got the 5-digit number. That is wrong. So you put. Students, do the homework. Now we finished our first chapter. Next chapter will be continued on in your next class. Thank you.